Um, Good morning, all of you. Now, in the continuation of the process of fatty acid synthesis, the after elongation, the next one is the termination. You know uh, as cell required uh, the how much elongation, or you can say the elongation process is over, is called the termination. The reaction is terminate. Now here is the example, the palmitoyl acid which containing 16 carbon, or the palmitoyl ACP is hydrolyzed by the enzyme thioesterase. Here in the box you can see the molecule of water is added and the enzyme thioesterase participate in the reaction. Ultimately the palmitate is synthesized, HSACP is at the end of the reaction. You know the palmitate is the palmitic acid, commonly you know the very common name palm oil. This is the fatty acid. So this process of our yield only saturated fatty acid production, of unsaturated fatty acid will be required of oxidation of the fatty acid. Dear students, here I want to make it very clear what are the saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. The examples of these saturated fatty acids are the butter, ghee. Commonly we use the words the solid state of the fatty acid, and this is the unsaturated fatty acids. Examples are oils. You know, the unsaturated fatty acids at room temperature remain in the form of liquid. The saturated fatty acids are solidified. You know, it is very popular word, saturated fatty acid must be added in our diet because they are very easy to digest. They contain the keto group, the double bond, a triple bond, while in saturated fatty acids there is no double bond. You know, so we should avoid to add the saturated fatty acids. You know, they directly deposited in the tissues or convert into the cholesterol. So we should understand, not only we are studying the way or reaction of the saturated, by keeping our health in our mind, mainly we should avoid the saturated fatty acids from our diet and start to unsaturated fatty acids. Artificially, the saturated fatty acids can be synthesized by the hydrogenation of the unsaturated fatty acids. You know, the oils can be converted into the solid form of the fatty acids. So the vegetable oils are used to synthesize the saturated fatty acids. The very important, popular and respectable name of the scientist J.K. Bloch found that the oxidative desaturation of the palmitoyl to palmitoyl oil was catalyzed by the particulase enzyme in the yeast cell. He was discovered in the yeast cell. You know, yeast is a single cell fungi which contains two. Here, this yeast is used in the conversion of palmitoyl coenzyme A into palmitoyl coenzyme A. Similarly, stearyl coenzyme A was converted by olehyl coenzyme A by the same enzyme. You can say in this process the oxygen is used and the molecule of NADPH and hydrogen ion are used in the conversion of stearyl coenzyme A and olehyl coenzyme A. By keeping in view that how much energy molecules are used, by a summary of the reaction you can see here, the 8 acetyl coenzyme A, 8 molecule of the acetyl coenzyme A used 14 molecule of the NADPH and the 7 molecule of the ATP to synthesize, and 14 NADP, 8 molecules of the coenzyme A, 7 ADP, and inorganic pyrophosphate is releases at the end of the reaction. So here you can see the overall net reaction of the synthesis of the palmitoyl. The acetyl coenzyme A, 8 molecules here, 7 malonyl coenzyme A, 14 NADPH, and the end of the reaction the palmitate is produced by releasing the 7 molecule of CO2, 8 molecule of coenzyme A, and